Looking for a motherboard that delivers powerful performance and seamless compatibility? The AMD AM4 socket X570 motherboard is designed to handle everything from Ryzen 5000 series processors to earlier generations with ease. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a productivity powerhouse, this board offers the connectivity and speed you need to stay ahead. What makes this motherboard stand out? It supports up to 2 drives, giving you lightning-fast storage options. USB 3. 2 Gen 2 ports and AMD StoreMI technology combine to maximize data transfer speeds and system responsiveness. Plus, Bluetooth V5. 2 ensures you stay connected without a hitch. This isn't just a motherboard, it's a foundation for a high-performance PC that keeps up with your demands. Power delivery is crucial for stable performance, especially with multi-core processors. This board features a robust 12+4 power stage design, Pro-Cool 2 power connectors, alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. Together, these components ensure your CPU gets clean, consistent power, even under heavy loads. That means smoother gameplay, faster rendering, and reliable multitasking without unexpected shutdowns or throttling. Heat can kill performance, but this motherboard keeps temperatures in check with comprehensive cooling solutions. A passive chipset heatsink works alongside an 8mm heat pipe VRM heatsink, dual onboard M2 heatsinks, and a dedicated water pump header. Whether you're pushing your system hard or running long sessions, your components stay cool and stable. Networking matters, especially in gaming and streaming. This board comes equipped with 5 gigabits per second LAN and Intel Gigabit Ethernet enhanced by ASUS Langard for better throughput and protection. Wi-Fi 6E with MU-MIMO support offers faster, more reliable wireless connections. The Game First V feature lets you optimize network traffic for gaming or streaming, reducing lag when it counts. Connectivity options on this motherboard cover all the bases. It supports PCIe 4.0 for next-gen graphics cards and SSDs, HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort 1.2 for crisp visuals, and multiple USB ports including USB 3.2 Type A and Gen 2 Type C. You get the flexibility to connect all your peripherals without compromise. Users across the United States praise this X570 motherboard for its reliability and value. One reviewer called it easily the best X570 board I have owned, highlighting how everything just works. Unlike other boards where software can be a headache, this one delivers a smooth BIOS experience and dependable software that doesn't let you down. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants top-tier features without overspending. If you're ready to upgrade your PC with a motherboard that balances performance, cooling, and connectivity, this AMD AM4 X570 board is worth a look. It offers what you get from high-end models without the premium price tag. Whether you're building a new rig or replacing an older board, it's designed to support your goals and keep your system running strong. Try it when you're ready to experience a hassle-free, powerful foundation for your next build.